Ever tried installing an APKM file on your Android TV and it just failed? Don't worry. Today I'll show you the right way to do it easily and safely. So, let's get started. Open Play Store on your TV. Go to Search Bar and search APK Mirror Installer Official. Install APK Mirror Installer. Go to System Settings on your TV. Scroll down and go to Apps. Go to Security and Restriction. Go to Unknown Sources. Allow permission APK Mirror Installer turn on. Open APK Mirror Installer app. Click OK. Click on Browse Files. Allow storage permission. You need to transfer APKM file to your TV first. Watch this video, How to Send Files to Android TV, link in video description. Select APKM file. Click on Install Package. Click on Install App. You can only install one app. If you want to install more apps, uninstall APK Mirror Installer app and reinstall. Click Install. The APKM file has been installed. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.